I'm Tori. In this Paperless Post tutorial, I'll teach you 8 ways to customize your invitation. Let's start with adding media. You can easily add branding, humor, or personality to your invitations with designs that incorporate your own photos or logo. Or you can start from scratch with an entire custom design. Upload and adjust your picture or GIF however you like, just make sure it's under 20 megabytes. Next up, text. Adjust your font style, change the color, and add or remove text boxes. If you're sending a card, choose your stamp, backdrop, envelope, and liner. Flyers don't have envelopes, but you can customize them with page styles, which I'll cover in a moment. Next, add your event details. Type in your title, date, time, and location. You can also start thinking about your guest list and RSVPs. Choose whether to collect head counts for kids and adults, add +1s, set a maximum capacity, and whether you want your guest list to be visible or not. Toggle on the comment wall to let everyone in on the conversation. When your guests RSVP, you can collect things like mailing addresses and allergy info with helpful guest questions. You can also ask your guest multiple choice and checkbox style questions using guest surveys. Now is when your invitations really come to life. Customize the look and feel of your event page by choosing a page style that complements your invitation and party. Even the RSVP buttons can go from straightforward to eye-catching. Blocks let you add additional information to your event page, making it easy to share extra details, like a schedule, gift registry, or travel accommodations. You can also add videos or photo galleries for a personal touch. Once you're happy with your customized invitation, you can preview exactly what it will look like when your guests receive it. You can go back and make your final tweaks, then click Save, and you're good to go. The only thing left to do? Get ready to party. To learn how to add recipients and send invitations, check out our video all about sharing. Have questions about how to use Paperless Post? Feel free to contact our customer operations team or leave a comment on YouTube. See you next time!